The affair no bon krata no aye kradonti ebeba wakwemu na afe so online no de ekoso and also ebeba wakwemu fiama kwata maklone o man he kwabna sante aye krado awode de bon krata no ebebro o man he no kwabna sante mpacho mache
yeah lady D yo kwame anum de wabesama no pay buta de buy no e so hwe so pepepe na yedi sa nkomo no so yemfom so kakra bi a yebekọ besi manche ho na afi ya hwesi betimanya la manche na yakokọ manche afodo no na omode hye no eni ya tra na ninton
manche fo abemu de adwobre
no nyase mididi agro wo ba hoho ba besoa obi fi a wo ye de ye no ba wo ye se woni da ho chen ye de a ye no obekọ de pepepa mo
adwobre we no ye skin pay
oh yeah na ho ye de
nyame adom pacho so
nyame adom ye mo bibia kwa ba ye mo bibia chi this is bedwem e wa Adom TV so multi TV so team ni nyina nya kase ni no wo se e ade a bibia ekọ kama ekọ se no nkono bebo a obekọ so ahwe Adom TV ndi de omni se amanyo semum oman somusuom onso asede nsuom nkomo ahodo a watene de wonte ne njirimo e papa ana ede bebro anum se ka unu se ena akwa ewukwada enti enei ye wago kansie ye wa ahosepe ye wo afisem ye wo mpensempensemu e odwumedi e friend bedwam eso enanso uko check account na check we se onya wa ode ne ntibi mba phone so ti se kwa me mo de yi ke bia mba ya walk to the bank and check whether system no da clear camera man hwenim na ode second July. Mauli system no mujana da home. They do the course cannot off you when they see but and then the more GDS se mo de na tomu ntem no. Aha no monitor system no kakra fa de. Die no 3 seconds bia no 3 seconds be monitor your phone say kike o ya na maza well if your phone
e bi so na wo fa Ghana card ne ma wo bank for enti ye se ne so ne fa ye Ghana card no ma ye bankers no enya sa de apepe no emeto
ala pe ya chia we the next no ade nim komo adi eye ihini agihini kase pa wo o man Ghana mu enuanu ma won so se said the new maybe su kosu o man Ghana no mo de mo gidi se e bra so mo ye kire no ada arise Ghana for TC monte so ye nkasa pi kwame enu ada odi o machi ekwa aprobo no nyina bia da nwase for the life waba into betwa mfonyi na kire mfonyi otwa kire wie pe mpanyimfo bia na kasa na montu no so yetimi ne won adi nkomo na afia te ho ase yi se de bia yedi nkomo na ebisima edi ne kwame da ase edim se ba na kwa nya se ntwa dwuma pa de se nka wo home but adwuma nti da se pa na no ase ase na ekowie se de si wi
anje no a ebo be se 5:30 and the editor said dispatch your call circle hono nti ho ana e won safe na grofo no ba kakra no mo said endorse we nti bo say 9 10 11 hono afi ma dos kakra be say 100 150 bi nti hono no but na sa time na ye ko do na police for no ho dida
okay
nti na police for na position omo ho baby fako na police for do no on say numbers na ho no police for no ba omo dos aha na afia mo cars na vehicles nobody prevent the crowd I'm going to control crowd now and so how baby but my position omo free say o free dan kwa
ba mo fa kwan baako
and I go so free akufado efie ni ba answer no for bridge no mafa akwan but they are the other side say o kwa
wetin ba ko bibia da ho
and so na demonstrators no omo leaders no buy nanso no omo a o kakra anti otum say omo ye known leaders no no mo buy this is some Jemfini benan no omo buy anti no mo nam ho anti be hu say na group yes omo de jama e come be police for no no onto mo kwa no mo aba anti no pa no na ho no mo no e da ho anti bo be say 11 between 11 and 12 no and then hu say fa leaders no bi aba you say some Jemfi aba ho you so benan mo na ho and then who leaders for no be na NDC impini for no be ba ho tini hu ye ne sa fe na demonstrators no be call on say interchange no mama brains no mo see water fountain bi and have the offices bi ho and say water fountain yard no mo no and hu sa fe no mo call and a police form pini for COP Christian Tete yo no and afi Greater Accra
your own dey anim
your hono ka ho and a Greater Accra regional police commander I think Edi Lancer and the COP Edi Lancer ka ho ɛna ɔmo kɔ nti yɛn sɛ na ɔmo gyina ɛhɔnom ɛna first no na ɔmo ne nkrɔfo bi hyiae nkrɔfo ɔmo ne ɔmo hyiae no ɔmo nye known faces I think they are part of the leaders of the demonstration no and by 12 hɔnom no ɔmo hyiae na ɔmo san ba ɔmo akyi ɛna ɔmo bɛyɛ announcement sɛ ɔmo ne police for no ka nsɛm bi kakra na bebia ɛkɔ yi a ɔmo bɛhyɛ dwumadi na aseɛ ɛpa kyerɛ sɛ first meeting no there was no agreement ɔmo ntimi anretie any agreement and ɔmo kɔ and later on na asame gye mfi mo bae no ɛna ɔmo yɛ second meeting ɔmo bae no what you say there was still no agreement and there was a third meeting ɔmo kɔ yɛ ɔtɔ final meeting ɔmo kɔ yɛ ɔtɔ pɔn and afei same mu benanmo na mo asiedu nketia ɔmo nyina kɔ yɛ furu baby ankoma start you know wɔn ɛna ɔmo address media no enti mini benanmo na atwitwi nkomo ɛna mbisa ne sɛ adan na ɛkɔ akɔbɔ tu ɔmo nhyase amo nhyase so mo ɛkɔ baby ɔmo so mo kɔ ɛna ɔse the agreed routes na ɔmo police for no hyehyɛ so ɔmo bɛfa nti ase nyɛ dwuma ɔmo pɛ so ɔmo kɔ finance ministry enti ɔmo anka mo tisi mo bɛfa asan fa sɛ ukɔ Nima junction ho fa kwaje interchange akɔ finance ministry that is a route ananko so mo take but already na police for na block it a human war no more block you on timenko and am bisa say enti what is the way forward and then no mo yes say police for no so mo nso mo chi no mo nkɔ Independence Square
but that was not the agreement.
Okay. Meaning say the agreement between money police no we are not preview.
Okay.
And see okay so what are you going to do? I say we are going to demonstrate and we will go wherever we want to go. In talk assignment try interview so na me frame me crew na me catch am say me won say microphone be call baby a police for na block no. Na we say hwe ehun yi because police for no so nya de o me pin no. And see ehun sa and a quite Africa nation bano, and we empty streets. And I feel a quite free a more free than qua Nima Junction air ban. I said, oh, condition empty street, another home. And I feel Africa nation said, oh, Nima Junction honum na. I want a police for our blocking. And I demonstrators no so. And the echo Jina a quino, na a free no. And we were between demonstrators no and a police phone. A police for no doors ye. And the first nisi and say, Yami who and say, when we say na demonstrators neighbor, na leaders in the minim. And I feel na human war na police for na yano. They were trying to break through, and a police for no so PM. And you know, there's a last question say one na a shas yes or to them first. On say police for no PM no and the force no. The who yani say na fe a bo eba free baby. Na endorse. And the police for no who say no. Ene ye hu say afi bibi ho no mo so no mate no mato. Police ni kra na auto no oyese o ti baako. Oye ne baako na anye ye na musi start ba no auto no say. E ho na afi e bo ye the for na ye gina ho no.
Yeah.
Adene usie no e bo ewura no beka say e jabi
na. E shishi papa.
Ha, enti na afi na ye ne so sie na ye bo na ye dwane. Ti wi ye dwane fa no. Afi na hu say ebo
ba pa.
Ebo no e ba bebre. Na ebo no moto no say half pavement
blocks no.
Tine tina e was afi.
Oh, eno ano no.
Enye easy. Enti no police armored vehicle na e wo ho no. Enti ebo no basa no. E na afi human war no connect. E na water cannon no e ba ni sir. E na afi SPM no mo call me mo call me. SPM no mo call me. Enti water cannon ya na oba afi na no akonnect. Na armored vehicle bi a guy no crack two no was.
Yeah, me also oh yes.
And you know, sa point no, wo hwe video ya di ba ya. Wo be hu se na opie ye no, o hu se microphone ko ebo mbe so moto. Nti o ye say. Nti o ye say no. Na em so signal mo say, fabon to onye so be shoot. Fabon to onye shoot. Nti mo fan to. E na me hu se o fire say o mo say rubber bullet, o say no. O fire echo awie mo sa. And echo sa. And at a point na on me busy. You don't to afina demonstrators.
Memo to aso wa quickly memo to aso mame nko lawyer opera Adom Pablo ono na ye NDC for Mabunuku no oda ona no obo he odika de krata kra bae asa na okọ join mpanyin for mo etu sa na mo lawyer machine na ho ye de
Nami Adom o man.
oh ye de nyame ase ba obi a wo ye mrani for na odi mra so na ukoka eku a utie de ye komo ye bona no pay a na asenka mo pese moko contrary to nhihye a money approach for na mo sa akomonim kra akototo abo any approach for the ahiem
O man in the kama mincha wetie for na men corrected misconception dia ekoso. It looks like obia person who claim say a demonstrator in Inyane wrong. Unfortunately, the cost so no. If anybody is to blame, and if a public inquiry is held, it is the police may be blamed, and I'll tell you why. You know, it's your mind, Muhammad, your gym ready. The boom, yes, boom, raso. The police and a would to me say, Omo enforce Imbrano. It is the police now who decided say Imbrana, I was Omo enforcing, Omo fan ye Juma, a unfortunate. I didn't think America, sir. Yeah, I agree with the police, sir. On Wednesday before a Monday on Babeko Court, sir, you best start the demonstration at area 2. Area 8 p.m. That was the agreement by any police for yeah. Until Friday or Saturday now, Omoko Court, no. Omoko Court, no. The court granted order, say, you use alternative routes. The same day now, court granted, and yet that court nothing. I can't record in any decision in argument. If you deny a night of Adana, any file appeal, any sign file stay of execution. In Bremuno, so be file appeal, no file stay. The attorney said decision now, if you court Kumane Wabano, you change that decision this one. Now, original position and no, original order and no, and Kosun Yejuma until such a time, Court of Appeal never tenacity. Nobody decision for Ebeba. And so as at yesterday morning, then the original decision and any police for the work, I no more Wednesday, and they said, if you demonstration at 2, you 8 p.m. Our Flagstaff House. Now you be fear here if your brass spot. They are not for Ring Road Central. They're the near chair Akweje Interchange. They're the afro overhead, no, they are see a Flagstaff House. That was the agreement we had with the police. And nothing had changed. It's a run of you could do one of no. Police in 24 by the caption Mona Embra Esamonsa. This is a copy of the appeal process is now filing. This is also a copy of the stay of execution. This decision, until the court, if they decide otherwise, no. Original agreement, our original command, they say, this is how the demonstration is going to take place. No. That is what is going to happen. Police want to say, David, Omunfa, a stay of execution now. They're filing no, but they will go with the decision of the High Court. No, and you cannot pick and choose Imra or the year Juma. Because Imra and Yawadia, a year in the Constitution, the Imra Juma, what the NSO for Imbrano. So you cannot pick and choose, and that is what led to the confusion. And right there, no, it was avoidable if the police had been up and doing. Now, Kamuji Tumuse, Imbrana, a woman near Fambrani Juma. Sadly enough, the whole Ghana, media, nobody's asking the police, I didn't know my respect to execution, and the police don't know about the law. So let's deal with the issues from the basics, from the fundamentals. Who's been the teacher? If you're a police officer, my own right said, okay. So if the Constitution guarantees me a right, and I have gone to court to enforce that right, can you say, well, why do you come back and say court decision I end there?
Lawyer Opariado, your appeal and your stay of execution in Ayatiwasi. The challenge here is that Ghana Libya and Yanagini said Sebi Obibu position in China, our position to Obu and Intia. As Sembisan said, Brana Moody and Obabayeno say Meditim and what's money opposing for Ebefa, Emma for her, Ebefa, Emma Mufano. A CDN and a bottle to a bemu. Honor a quay, you know.
We are looking at assembly in fusion. It's a say, Juma, Emma police for Edinburgh, so I mean, anybody would have been tested. I brought it to two, and I was not standing there.
Okay.
I also saw videos later on. Okay. It is an unfortunate incident to see. But we've also seen videos of policemen holding stones at normal moto. And I believe some of you may have seen those videos too.
Yeah.
So you cannot say when the kind to one first and I when the kind to one first. Because I've also seen a video with a policeman holding a stone and pelting it. And at that time, I had not seen any stone being pelted at it. So we need to get into the facts first. And I said this, I mean, if the police now took Badwam, I will defend myself as a police officer. So as I'm a citizen, now attacking me, I will also find a way of defending myself. It's, let's not look at problem now, but let's look at the root cause of what led to the problem. If there is any inquiry, the root cause, an inquiry will get into.
Well, I'm sure. I'm sure.
It is the police that acted irresponsibly in the first instance because they refused to acknowledge that there was a state of execution, and so they should have respected that decision from the same court.
I'm sure.
I don't know how I'll be picky. No, it chooses may respect the decision. May respect it right from the word.
Okay, so lo am pacho wadaruma ne mutua eye chene so ana. And then more to Mujumedian Swana. Unfortunately,
we're not interested in moving emotion. Rather,
unfortunately, let me say one tears. Come here, wrap up quickly. Painful Bakuna.
I also say issue avoidable.
Yeah.
Of course, it was avoidable. Agreement on the police to Nukoyan. Once there was a final agreement.
That agreement, you say you're privy to that agreement.
You're not privy, but I said the agreement on the field.
Police statement, already. A lawyer and so cases here. Just clearly there's something.
Yeah, the disconnection, no. But someone said police for never buy.
Yeah.
And so many agencies grounds on. Yeah. The disagreement was that the police for come on grass on the engine too.
Okay.
And one causes
I know there's a problem.
And one causes a problem.
And you know what's up of idea. Oh.
Every 5 minutes now, so you have
Hey, Kwame. I know what's up for you. Yeah, Michelle, America. Anyway, enough for you. America. But quickly headlines. The Herald say pelting, tear gas, injuries, and arrests at day one of Kroma Eshidemo. Napo blowing $35 million on Ameri plants relocation to Kumasi. Daily graphics in chaos. Tear gas arise Ghana demo. 12 policemen injured. Some protested, arrested. The daily guide and so the daily graphic. Daily guide say sacked PPA boss receives trial papers. Health minister testifying at 2 Forson's trial. And the big one, NDC's arise Ghana demo turns bloody. And then it's not NDC for there. The new crusading guy say Raman's 10 million fraud, controller and accountant general to pay 5 million Ghana city of doctored figures next week. Under the Ghanaian Times, so Ekasa for ADC. Yeah, that was what I say. Yeah, 20 million.